Good morning, CBAers. I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving and that you ate lots of turkey and you put on about 5 to 10 pounds. That's always a good day. This is going to be a brief introduction to Microsoft Access as well as Access 02. I will try to do a video for each of these assignments that I will give you so that it'll help make it easier for you. You're going to get the Microsoft Access files the same way you got the Excel ones. You're going to go over to Handouts, CBA, data files, and in this time instead of going to Microsoft Excel you'll go to Microsoft Access, and I would recommend that you pull this out to the desktop. Otherwise we've had some problems keeping it in the data file, so pull it out to the desktop and at the end of the period you can put it in the recycle bin. So I'm going to right click there, rename this, and name them like we always do, and then AC02. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and double click on the icon. And here we go. I will tell you that I did have a problem with my buttons, the ribbon bar, not showing up on mine earlier, and it's because I had to collapse it, or again you can hit Control F1 to expand it, and I like it expanded. In this book it's going to tell us, this lesson in AC02, they're going to tell us to open up table clients. Here's table, hit the enable, and table clients. And it looks a lot like Microsoft Excel, except it can do so much more than that. It's going to tell you to move to the new record. Records are a collection of information on one person, place, or thing. So for example, you can tell on this database, they're collecting information on the last name, first name, address, city, state, zip, phone, and then a field where you can just write in. Again, these are called fields, and this is called a record. A collection of information on one person, place, or thing, again, is called a record, and each individual information is called field. It's telling you to move to the new record after client 27, Jane Coffin. I can tell this is number 27 here, and it's saying to put it right there. It's going to tell you to add 3 new records. You can find those in the book. It's Paul Gallup. And the way I'm getting from field to field is I'm just pressing the tab key, or you can use the mouse, whichever is easier for you. And then you'll finish typing the rest of the information in. It also is going to tell you to copy a record. So it can tell you to copy on step 8, Gloria Sebastia. So Gloria Sebastia. I haven't written that one, but we'll go over here, and you're going to go to right click, copy. I'm going to click here, and I'm just going to go to paste. That's how you copy and paste a record, and then you can just change the first time. So instead of Jane, maybe it's John. And of course they would have the same address because maybe they're married or brother, sister, whatever. Now it's going to tell you to close this out. And this time it's going to tell you to go to Form View. Right now I'm in Table View. I'm going to click to Form View. I'm going to go over here where it says Form. And it's going to tell me to open up Form Clients. So I'm going to go click over here. And now it's going to tell me to insert a new record. This is all the exact same information that it was in the table. It just looks different. I personally am a fan of Form View. I think it's easier. I like being able to see everything at a glance, but again, it is a personal preference. It's going to tell you on step 13 to insert a new record. The way you insert a new record is you can click here all the way till you get to the end, or you can just click down here where it says New Blank Record. And then you can type the information in. This information happens to be Tracy. How do you spell Tracy? And then you can finish typing the rest of the information in here. You can also change the zip code it says to do. It also tells you to find other records. If I want to find somebody, let me go back and look. I don't remember the names. Say I want to find Coffin, and I'm back at the beginning. I'm going to go over here where it has the binoculars, and really binoculars are a great way to find the information, but you do need to be clicked on the last name field. If I were clicked in the first name, it would never find it. So I'm in the last name field. I'm going to go over here, and you do need to spell it correctly, and I'm going to hit find. And there it is. So again, it's a quick way to do that. If you have any questions, please watch the video again, read the instructions in the book, of course, or you can ask me. I will tell you that the book version versus the version we're using 2013, they do look quite different, and there are some areas where you're probably going to need to ask for help, so please feel free to do so. Thank you.